Today, let us discuss rhetorical parallelism. This is a type of parallelism or a literary device that uses a parallel structure in which parts of a sentence or a phrase are grammatically similar in construction, sound, meter, or meaning. This technique adds rhythm, balance, and clarity to writing, making it more memorable and impactful. Specifically, rhetoric is there to persuade people, right? And so you want your sentences to be impactful. Here are some examples. Easy come, easy go. This phrase repeats the same structure with two similar phrases. Easy come, easy go, creating a balance and rhythmic effect. Here's another example. Like father, like son. This sentence parallels father with son, highlighting the similarity between the two. It's the same as the first one. Easy come, easy go. Come and go. Father and son. So that's rhetorical parallelism, and you do it to make your writing more impactful.